Hi folks, last month I did a video about rare kits from Airfix, and lo and behold, one of these rare kits ended up in auction. So we're going to have a look and see what it sold for. So the kit I'm referring to, the rare Airfix kit, is the Gerry Anderson Stingray. Now Airfix produced this kit in conjunction with Lyons Maid ice cream. Lyons Maid released an ice cream called the Sea Jet lolly. So the idea was that you would collect 3 wrappers and 6 shillings, send it off to Lyons Maid, and they will send you a Stingray made by Airfix to build. Airfix never released this kit into the mainstream, so it was never found in shops or anything. Basically, the only way to get this kit was by following through on the promotion, filling in a form, getting your parents to give you a couple of shillings, and then 3 ice creams as well, and they will send you this kit. Now, I have never seen this kit in such a great condition as what we're going to see now. So there's an auction house called Excalibur Auctions, and they're based in Knights Langley, which I think is in Herefordshire, and it's a good auction. You can go, they do find some pretty rare die-cast cars, and they do scale model kits, vintage ones, and you can bid on these items so that you can win. Anyway, they had this time a Stingray in its original plastic and the original box, and you can see on the box there it says, "Look, your own Stingray." And the description saying, "A very rare Airfix Gerry Anderson Stingray unbuilt plastic kit, originally available through Lyons Maid, blah 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 blah. This 35-piece plastic construction kit is still sealed in the original plastic bag and comes in the original cardboard shipping mailer box." Now, they also say this kit is one of the rarest Airfix pieces and is hard to find in any condition. Very good condition in box. Amazing. So if you've never been to an auction house before or don't understand auctions, basically you are bidding on the item. So they gave us the opportunity to put in what's called commission bids. So I put a commission bid in of 500 quid, and before I knew it, it was too late. It was already up to 600, and I couldn't justify spending any more than that on this kit. So you're getting a vague idea of how expensive this kit got at this auction. So put in the comments right now, how much do you think this kit sold for at auction? And then you'll be able to see the answer at the end of the video. I recorded it so you can see. But remember that when you bid at an auction and you say that you bid on something for £100 and the hammer goes down, that's the hammer price. But there's also what's called the buyer's premium or premium fee. Sorry, the premium fee. This is what the auctioneer is put on the top of the value of the item. So say you paid £100 for, say, this Tamiya kit, and this particular auction is 33%, which is a little bit rich. A lot of the auctions I go to is between 20 and 25%, but it's 33% of this one, which is, their sandpit, their rules, fair enough. So if you bought something for £100 there, there'll be that buyer's premium fee on top, which is 33%. So that'll be £133. So anyway, I recorded it. I screen recorded the actual auction because I was so interested in this. And we will watch the auction now, and then we will see what the price is at the end. But before we watch a video of the auction, just want to ask a bit of a favour very quickly. If you're not a subscriber yet but are enjoying the content on this channel, will you please consider becoming a subscriber? All you have to do is click subscribe, and for a bonus, if you ring that bell, click all, you'll be notified when I release a new video. Subscribers and likes help grow the channel, so if you can, please click that subscribe button. It will really help. Anyway, let's get to the video and watch the auction pan out.
22 it is, 11.46. Moving on to my favourite lot of the sale. This is the very scarce Airfix Gerry Anderson Stingray unbuilt plastic kit. This was only originally available through Lyons Maid as part of an ice cream promotion for their Sea Jet lollies. You had to have 6 proofs of purchase and 6 shillings to send off for this. Now, we've seen a few of these on the market where they've been built or where it's all separated out. This is still in its original box and still in its original sealed bag with the original sellotape on it, as it would have come from Lyons Maid. Never seen one in this condition go to auction. It was a bit of an odd find, and we basically have, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 commission bids. I need to take that bid back to the room, please, Evie, because I'm on 650 on commission. 700 takes out the commission bidders. £700. It's now on the internet at 700, 750, 800, 850. 900 is next underbidder. £900, 950. Round me up at 950. Surely another £1,000 at £1,000 for the Stingray kit. 1,001 at £1,100 at £1,100 for the Stingray kit. The Airfix Gerry Anderson Stingray kit for the Lyons Maid Sea Jet lollies is now at £1,100, still sealed in its box. 1,002 is next. At 1,100, I'm going to raise the gavel. I'm going to say once at 1,100, find me another in this condition. Twice at 1,100. Third and final time, and selling at £1,100. 1,100, thank you very much.
So the price was £1,100 on the hammer. But like I said, you have your buyer's premium. The buyer bought through the internet, so going by the rules of that auction house, total cost will be 33% on top of the hammer price. So back of a fag packet maths, on £1,100 at 33% buyer's premium, the total cost of this kit to that person was £1,463. So wow, that is an amazing amount of money for a very rare Airfix kit. We were talking online, I shared this out to my followers on Facebook and on the YouTube channel that this auction was going to happen. And when I was talking to folks about this kit, everyone said it will go for more than £1,000. And there's the proof of the pudding, nearly £1,500 for an Airfix kit. It is not the most expensive kit I've seen, or should I say Airfix product I've seen sold. There is another video which I'll link in the description box below, where I think I did about 2 years ago, and I was going through the news of the day, and there was an auction and it went for about £1,700. But I'll link that video in the description box below so you can see. Actually, I might even put it up here or here so you can click on that and watch that video. Anyways, there you go, a Stingray kit, close to £1,500. That was a good day for the person who found that in their collection, or they found that tucked away in an attic somewhere. Congratulations to the seller of that kit, and congratulations to the buyer. I really hope that it's added something to your collection of Airfix kit, and maybe you might even build it, which will be phenomenal. But then if it's built, it will lose a lot of value. But that is the name of the game. Unfortunately, Airfix kits, some of them seem to hold their value just being in that box and not ever built. So there you go. Let me know your thoughts about this auction and about this kit. Do you think it's worth it at nearly £1,500? I'd like to know your thoughts on it and just put them in the comments below. Let's have a bit of a debate about it. It is rare, and I don't think you'll see another one in that great a condition for a very long time. And I think that's it from me. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, click like. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe, ring that bell, click all to be notified when I release a new video. Huge shout out to my channel members who help me financially with this channel. If you'd like to become a channel member, just click join below and select which membership tier you so wish. There are perks of being a channel member, but one of the perks is that we have a Thursday night meetup where we work on our workbenches and we talk about scale modelling, we talk about technique, we talk about what's in the news, what's happening. And as I said, because it's private, only channel members can watch and participate in that live stream. In one of the four corners will be a playlist or another video of content on this channel that you can go away and watch. And I'll see you in the next video. Take care.